Today, I'll show you how to add a realistic snow effect to your videos and create that perfect winter vibe. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, go to the Effects tab and search for Snow. You'll see multiple options, but for this one, we're using the Realistic Snow 1 effect. Simply drag and drop the effect onto your clip, and just like that, you'll see snowfall added to your video. But let's fine-tune it to make it look even better. Select the video and head over to the right side editing panel. Click on the Effects tab, and here you'll find options to customize the snow effect. Speed, adjust how fast or slow the snow falls. Direction, change the angle of snowfall for a more natural look. Color, customize the snow color if you want a unique effect. Blur, soften the edges to make the snow blend seamlessly. Opacity, control how intense or subtle the effect appears in your scene. Play around with these settings until you get the perfect snowy atmosphere. And that's it. You've successfully added a realistic snow effect in Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips.